I am going to be making agar jelly today. I'm using this agar stick for my recipe. I like this traditional form of agar. We call it Kanten. So Kanten needs to be soaked in the water overnight, at least for 2 hours. So it comes with a stick, a longer stick, so I broke this in half just so that it fit in my saucepan. Yeah, like this. Squeeze. Water out. Then like this into smaller pieces like this. Just flush them. Okay. So for 1 stick of Kanten, I use 3 pints of water. This amount of water is actually a lot more than probably your package instruction says, but I like it rather kind of soft. Basically, you have to bring to boil. So if you know gelatin, you shouldn't boil gelatin, but Kanten, you have to once bring it to boil, to set. To now simmer for a few minutes until Kanten is dissolved. About 1.5-ish tablespoon full of sugar. Okay, that's ready. I'm happy. Yeah, it's gorgeous. Nice. Do not stir after you pour this out into a container, because now it started having a chain to set. Then by stirring, you will break the chain, so it will never set. I let it cool down, then move it to the fridge. Please stand by it all the time, because it will easily get burned or spilled over the pan. Of course, skim the foam as it forms. And once it gets syrupy, then check if you can draw a line on the bottom of the pan. Then if you could, the syrup is ready. Like this. So turn off the heat. Then cool it down. So my Kanten jelly should be ready by now. Let's have a look. So I just took this container out of the fridge. It should look like this, a bit cloudy. Let's get nicely set. So traditionally, we cut this in cubes. Then see what you have got is this beautiful chili. So a couple of mandolin, then this syrup on top. There you are, for taste. Show you what. You can eat this forever. So if you are doing some Japanese dinner, so finish your course with this jelly, that will complete your meal. Okay, enjoy cooking and see you soon.